So this problem states the diagram represents a blank in which the smallest particles are blank. So this first blank is asking about what phase the material is. Now in chemistry right now, we have solids, liquids, and gases. Solids we usually denote by being organized and close together. That means their shape doesn't change and their density doesn't change, how close they are together. Now, liquids are close together like solids, but we say they're fairly disorganized, kind of randomly assorted, still dense, but a little less dense than solids, and they can change shape. But lastly, we have gas. And for gas, we need a closed container because gas expands to fill whatever container it's in. Therefore, gas becomes a lot less dense, and that movement energy, that kinetic energy, is now strong enough to overcome what we call intermolecular forces, the attraction to each other. So we know that this gas represents, or this diagram represents a gas. Now, the second place asking is whether they are atoms or molecules. Atoms are going to be the smallest particle of any substance that holds its character. Those are things that you find on the periodic table. And so that's going to be like gold, hydrogen, palladium, tungsten, all these random, or not random, but things on the periodic table. Now, molecules, on the other hand, molecules are combinations of atoms. So they have multiple and different atoms. Some common ones are water, CO2, carbon monoxide, glucose, sucrose once we get into biology. So looking at this diagram, we can see that it's made up of these gold and these blue particles, which suggests that they are different atoms. Therefore, we have a gas, and these are molecules.